The first thing you'll want to do in the CRM is add your sales team and configure user permissions and access to the CRM tabs within Partner Center. Starting in the Administration tab of Partner Center, navigate to the My Teams page and click Invite Team Member. There, you'll see 3 roles and various permission settings. First of all, pick a role or multiple roles for the team members you're inviting. Say you're inviting a salesperson. Check the salesperson role. Down below, there are a few permission settings that you can configure. First, can manage contacts in the platform. This permission controls whether the user can see and manage the contact page, including the ability to create, edit, and delete contacts. Second, can manage activities in the platform. This permission allows the user to create, edit, and delete activities, including tasks. And third, can manage companies in the platform. Enable this to grant or restrict access to the company page and the ability to create, edit, or delete the company information. These are the default access settings for salespeople in the CRM. If your salespeople need more access than this, more permissions are available for a platform admin. Customize the permissions based on the user's role and responsibilities within your organization. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage user access to the CRM tabs, ensuring that each team member has access only to the necessary tools for their role. If you encounter any difficulties or have further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're here to assist you every step of the way.